Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and here we will solve the master cylinder issue of this motorcycle. Here if I will press this lever, then this lever is completely free. You can see here. Now such problem comes when there is air inside this system. That is the reason one. But here there is no air because there is no leakage, or I not removed any nut or bolt from here. So there is no air inside the system. Here the problem, if you can see here carefully, there is leakage of brake fluid here. You can see here there is leakage of brake fluid here. So this problem is created because of the leakage of brake fluid, and from here the brake fluid leaks when this piston assembly, or you can see tell a spool of this master cylinder is damaged. So we have to replace the spool of this master cylinder. So how to replace the spool? So it is very easy. Let me explain you. Here I have to remove this 10 mm bolt from here, and here the nut here, that lock nut is missing, or you have to check at the bottom also whether any nut is there. But in this motorcycle nut is not there, it is missing, lock nut. So yeah, I remove this 10 mm bolt, a special bolt, and this lever will come outside like this. I have to take out this boot here. So this boot came outside. Here we have to remove this circlip, you can see here. So we have to use a circlip plier. So here we are using internal circlip plier. So here is our tool for removing this circlip. So you have to be slightly careful, and this hole you have to see properly. Yeah, now I can see both the holes, and you have to engage the circlip here. Yeah, you can see here I removed this circlip here, and now we can remove this spool assembly from here. You can see here, this is the assembly. Yeah, complete assembly. So here you can see the rubber components, and these rubber components get damaged over time, and this is around 13 years motorcycle. So we have to replace it with the new spool set. So before putting the new assembly, we have to clean this master cylinder. So we have to clean this master cylinder very nicely. So I cleaned this area nicely, and also you have to remove this old brake fluid from here, and you have to clean this master cylinder. And now we can install the new kit. So here we are having a kit, and its cost is 184 rupees today, and you can get everything which is required for repairing. So here is our spool, the spring, the clip, everything is there, and also a small amount of grease. Okay, so here is our new grease. So first thing is our spring and a spool. Yeah, so we have to attach the spring here. You can see this is the big end of the spring, and this is the small end. So a small end we have to attach here like this. Okay, perfect. And here on this spool, apply a small amount, very small amount of grease here. If you will apply more grease, then it will jam the master cylinder, so that is not good. Just a small amount, it will help in inserting this spool easily. Yeah, it's going inside. Yes, our new circlip. Never use old circlip. Here is our new circlip. Hold it like this. So press this spool inside and we will install this circlip. So this circlip is installed perfectly in its place. Now we have this last component here, and we will apply small amount of grease here. Yes, yes, and we have to insert it here, this boot. Yes, perfect. Then again a small amount of grease here. Perfect. And here is the lever. Don't forget to apply the grease here. And now we can put this bolt here. Yes, perfect. So it is working perfectly. And now we'll fill it with the brake fluid. Always use brake fluid from a new container. So yeah, and now you can just press it, then air will come outside after some time. In most of the cases where a spool is damaged, you don't have to do complete brake bleeding. Air can easily come outside from here. You can see here, and now this lever is tight here. You can see here, I am not able to press it completely. So now our brake is okay. So if you are having similar problem in your motorcycle or scooter, you can solve this spool problem like this, and it is very easy and very cost effective. So you can just replace the old spool and it will become okay. And now we will fill it with the brake fluid completely up to the level, and we'll put back its cover. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and at last thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.